Hi guys, today we are at FG Gubellini Suspension and we are going to set up my racetrack bike, my GSXR 600, with some brand new FG Gubellini suspension, front and rear. I'm super excited about this. This is an amazing opportunity to work with Franco Gubellini himself, who is the owner and founder of FG Gubellini Suspension. Yeah, he has amazing stuff. He's really a passionate suspension magician genius person. You will see him in the videos. We will work on the rear suspension today, so we have to pick out all the different bits and pieces that go into it. And yeah, mount it on the motorcycle. Now, the plan wasn't at all what happened here today, but you will see we have had some interesting events that we didn't plan for, but we actually ended up bringing the bike here. Yeah, that was super interesting. Thank you again to FG Gubellini and to Franco himself, who has so generously accepted our proposal to collaborate. And I'm really excited to have his products on my bike when I go on the racetrack. So I hope that with these videos, we can dive a little bit deeper into what goes into suspension construction and also the setup. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys how it all comes together and how it, is being manufactured really in a boutique kind of environment. Each shock is made with a specific model and rider in mind, so it is very interesting to see how these things change and what kind of components go into each shock absorber. If you're a beginning rider, if you want to know a little bit more of what goes on in this mysterious place in your bike that is called the suspension, stay tuned for today's video and a couple of videos afterwards, because this is going to be a multi-video series about suspension, thanks to Gubellini and to all of the amazing people who helped. Yeah, let's jump into the video. So, in an amazing turn of events, we are now in the Gubellini trailer. Is it a trailer?
It's a van.
It's a van. And we're going to get my bike, so we can do the rest of the work on it. I will show you how we load it later, and yeah. Oh, I forgot. If you like what you've seen here today, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, because there will be, I think, a video series about these suspension adventures, since there is a lot of material to cover here and we learned so much today. So hit that bell so you don't miss the next videos, and of course subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.